Hi, Queens! Today, mag-talk me about the black and white tower. So, this night, nag-play siya black and white tower. Well, naghimasa ko. Kaya magkuha ko sa charger. Dayon, nagdula siya black and white tower. Nagdula siya black and white tower, guys. And then, kung gusto na siya mo leave, wala siya ka-leave. Oh. Maura na mong warning, do not play black and white tower. Do not play it. Na? Nag-look kayo.
Hapit na nako na delete ang kuan nagyano.
Akong Roblox.
So like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe and remember, do not play black and white tower.
Yeah. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Queen!